यूजिंग फॉर लूप यूज करके अपना नाम प्रिंट करना है. सो हाउ टू राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू डू दिस? by using for loop. Main is a library or user defined. It is a user defined function. Main char is a data type, character data type. Name matlab this is a variable name, and we are not writing here size. If we are not writing size, by default it will take 4. Why? Because 3 for 3 character and 1 for null character. So 0, always /0 in a string. So for I equal to 0, I is less than equal to I plus plus. Print a %c for character name I. We are giving input name in variable I, and then get ch. After that, so 0, what is this /0? This is called a string terminator. It shows that after that there is no string, so it is called a string terminator. Second program is to print name using while. So this is a main char name. We are not writing size. If we write size 10, then it will take 3 bytes, and fourth byte is 0, and rest will be filled by null /0. If we write 3, then it will stack overflow, a string overflow. If we write 2, then a string overflow. So you can write here 4, or you can leave blank, both are correct. So while name not equal to I, while name I not equal to, this is not equal to null, then print a %c name I. So it will take one character by character. It is also increasing the value of the loop I. So it will take one character, again second character, again third character. It will take the character one by one till it will get the null. Once it will get the null, then this loop will be terminated. So this is a way to print name using while loop. So while loop is more general and a better way for printing the strings. After that, why /0? Okay, so there is a integer string, there is a character string, and there is a float string. Okay. So why /0 is not in integer array? We are writing /0 means null string or the string terminator. But why it is not written in array, integer array? Why? So Richie tried but failed. So this is your homework. Why array starts from 0? Means base address we are taking from 0 generally. Why? So you try, this is your homework. So try to find why array starts from base 0. So a string is traditionally a sequence of character. A string is a sequence of character. So see one more program on strings. We are writing A, B, C, D, E, F, and there is a semicolon. So this is a char str, means string 1 is a character, or size we have not written. So we can write A, B, C, D, E, F by character, and at last semicolon. Or a second way to write the same thing is A, B, C, D, E, F double quote and then semicolon. Double quote from both the sides and then semicolon. So by default it will take /0. If we are not writing, by default it will take /0. Means null, string terminator. So we are printing size of string 1 and size of string 2. So what will be size? %d integer. Size of string 1 and size of string 2. So what is the size of string 1? Here it is null character. And what is the size of string 2? So size of string 1 and size of string 2 both will be 7, because it will take null character at the end by default. So it will be 7. So string 1 is 7, string 2 is 7, both are 7. Now we are taking one more string, that is string 3, and I have given size 15, and again semicolon. So how it is written? Char is a data type, str3 is a name of the data name of that variable, and we are writing here size. So if we write size 15, then how many character you can store? You can store only 14 character. And what will be what about one more character? Because size is 15, so you can store only 14 character. Why? Because one byte will be taken for null character, null string terminator. So you can store 14. So printf enter choice 1 and choice 2. You have to write some options. Printf. So scanf string 3. We are taking two choice. So suppose we want to we are going in some cafe and we want to take two choice, tea or coffee. So in one line we have to write, but we have to give some space because there are two choice. So we have written a space, and we are taking a scanf str3, and again we are printing the same thing. So what will happen? We are taking tea space coffee in str3. We are taking input in str3, and again we want to print the same thing. So what happened? Once it will read up to t, and once it will find that there is null character /0, so it will print only t, not coffee. So you will get only t, not coffee. Why? Because printf once get /0 string terminator, it assumes that there is no more string. So what is a way to solve such type of problem in a string? So see next. We use some more gets str3, means in place of a scanf we are writing gets. Why? We want to take both the character with some space. So don't use scanf, use gets str3. So we are again giving input str3, same thing, tea and coffee, and we are printing str3, so we will get tea and coffee. So what we learn here, for taking input from keyboard, means from user, if you have some more strings with some spaces, string terminator, then don't use scanf, you use gets, and at the time of printing, no problem, you can use printf. It will print the with some spaces also, and optionally you can also use some more function, that is puts str3. Both are correct. So both are correct. So printf tackling multiple strings. You can print multiple strings by using printf, but scanf not tackling multiple string. You are not able to print multiple string. You are not able to take multiple string as input by using scanf. You have to use gets function, gets. After that, initialization of a string. How you will initialize the string? So we are using 5 character here. So we have to initialize by 6 because there will be one string terminator. So 5 character and one string terminator. So we are writing here 6. Char is a data type, c is a name of that variable, and size is 6. This is size, c is size, 6 is size. After that you can also write the same thing without writing this size. Size हम लिख भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी लिख सकते हैं, both are correct. Both are correct. And this is a string terminator. So you can write size as 6 because there are 6 characters including the string terminator. So you can write OK. If you are not writing, this is also equally OK. You can also write ABCDE. So it is 5 and 1 is /0. So it will take 6 bytes. So this is also correct. You can also write without size. Okay. So this is ABCDE. This is also correct. Both are correct. You can also write S6 RAM. So what it will do? Last it will be 0. So 4 again 0, 5 again 0, 6. So this is a way. So this is a way for proof. So this is also correct. If you are writing S6 NIT 3 4 5 6, so it will be followed by 4 and 3 0 3 null character. So this is a way for initializing a string. All are correct. After that, there is a program hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h main. If hello equal to hexadecimal, printf strings are not equal, as print, this is a small, okay, PIM, all are small, okay. So if hello equal to hexadecimal, printf strings are not equal, as printf strings are equal. So we are comparing hello and hexadecimal, that is two strings. So what it will do? Think what it will do. Output will be strings are equal. Why? Because it only compare the first character. Okay. It will only compare the first character. Because here the base address of the two string will be compared. Base address. So what will be base address? Here the base address of the two string will be compared, and so the base okay. So here the base address of the two string are compared. So this base address is different and this base address is different. So both base address will be different. So this is wrong. This is false, not equal to. So both address is different. This is false. So it will go to else block. Okay. Here the base address will be compared. So all the strings have different base address in the same program. So it will go to else part. Second is hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h meant if star hello, star is a pointer, hello equal to star history. So what will be output? So here base address will be not compared, base address content will be compared. So it will compare only h and h. Am I right? So both are equal. So strings are equal. So these strings are equal. Here only the first character of two strings are compared because this is a star. So base address content will be compared. What is the content of the base address? That is first. So it will compare. Once again and see the previous program. So here the base address of the two strings are compared. So both the strings have different base address. So this is false. So it will go in the else part. But in this a star means that is pointer. So this is written that at the base address only the first character of two strings are compared. The base address content is compared. So first of the two strings are compared. So it is true. So it will go to first part. So this will be printed. If you have any doubt, you can ask in class. You can ask to your faculty. Thank you.